Yeah, then you gotta go ahead and put that Loctite up in there. Any of the gaps you got. Keep the water out. We cut a nice big bead. Even though the gun ain't no good. There it is. That's just extra added protection, that's all. Because you see, that hole was horrible. I'm just gonna make that hole, it ain't gotta be pretty, just gotta work. So once you put your paneling back over it, you'll be good to go anyway. Yeah. And this is rock hard, solid. It's gonna work, not a problem. Guaranteed to last. And fuck you for it for not doing this shit right. Damn it. Cut. Damn them son of bitches. Fucking forward. Put a little bit more in that hole. There it is. And that's side one. Show them the other side we gotta do, bro. We're going to the next side. If you always wanna clean your surrounding stuff here, this is just tape. So I wouldn't get cut from the rust. But we clean this off with brake clean. Scrub it down real good so we get a good adhesion. Everything will be fine. Let's let you get a rough fit of this. That's how that's gonna be. And you better believe it's gonna take shape just like the other one. No problem. One of the worst part about it is climbing around this damn trunk. Unless you 5'5" or taller, you fucked. But this is good. This is real good. Don't never go easy on these damn self-tappers. You can't put too many in. There's no such thing as too many. It's good, solid. And when this dries, it's gonna be waterproof. We're gonna put some extras all the way around. We don't need any up here because I got it all back here. I back buttered this side. So it's good. All right. Yeah, let's get it going. Leave that nice and thick. Don't be cheap with the Loctite. And when you put those self-tappers in and you start pulling it, when they hit tight, you'll hear it. It's gonna sound real good. It's gonna make you want to put a lot of extra ones in. And it won't hurt if you do. There's no such thing as too many. Once again, it don't have to be pretty. It just gotta work. Let me get glue. Thank you. You don't need leaving it on the scraper. Nope. Don't worry about the gaps that'll get filled in later. What you want to worry about is make sure that shock will hold. And this will get it. Put a couple self-tappers in on the corners. And pull it tight. And draw out your outline of where you need to go. Like I know my hole is anywhere inside of this trace outline. I went a little high because I want to make sure I get my self-tappers where I want them at. So, I'm just gonna that one there for a second. Okay, one over there. There. That's what you want to hear. That's knowing you're hitting it. Now on your driver's side, you got to remember, right in here, on this area, you want to make sure you take your filler neck out for your gas tank. And watch the screws. I don't put any in the middle until I put the filler tank back in so I can mark around it. But until then, I'm going all the way around here. So my filler tank is already out. You don't have to worry about here because all this is hollow other than this tube. As long as this tube's out the way, you're good. And that's for your sunroof and stuff like that. And if you got a Ford Escape, you probably got a sunroof. I'll keep on showing you guys this. Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. That's the size you need. And then once you get them off, you can grind some of the tips off if you need to once you get them in there. But they're just long enough where you won't have to if you don't want to. It won't puncture a tire or anything like that. Unless you got some aftermarket super sizes on there. That's a good sound. Corner, watch your skin. Yeah, if you go to the auto parts store, the dealer, whatever, auto parts store won't have this piece, but you can buy it at the dealership. It's $250, or you can go to the junkyard and whatever they charge you, it's gonna be a saving. So don't worry about it. But go to the junkyard, cut it out, get you a good old hefty DeWalt. The 20 volt 60 H battery, and I recommend that rigid diamond blade. Don't get those regular blades, get the rigid diamond blade. Because if you don't, you get the regular blades, they be shattering in your face. You go through a pack of them, you have to get another pack, just get that. You might go through 2 of those if you're lucky. Oh yeah. This had a giant hole in it, it was huge. It's go put one here for GP. Yeah, because I know that's not my spot. It's got to be around here, but I'm storing it in there. Hopefully it'll bite some of that little weak metal ahead over there. I'm going to get a couple pieces down here. And I'm going to give you some. I mean, you can't get no. I wish you guys could feel this. It's super solid.